Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Anitaamli and today we're trying out the clean girl aesthetic. So what is the clean girl aesthetic? Clean girl aesthetic is more about minimalism. Think about neutrals, basics, no makeup look, like just a clean makeup look. With appearance, we're talking gold jewelry, slicked back hair, glossy lips, and the likes of it. Also, a clean girl has her daily habits, which involves reading and journaling, and she also takes pride in skincare. So today we're gonna be living as a clean girl aesthetic. So without further ado, let's get into it. We know clean girls prioritize their skincare routine, so we're gonna do skincare. To start off, I got with this cleanser. I got it off from Boots. It's literally everywhere in the UK, and I'm just gonna put a bit on the cotton pad. So I break it now, so I decided to get into my whole skincare routine, and I purchased a few new products which a lot of people have sworn for, and I hope it really works. So I'm just gonna show you my new updated skincare routine, which no one asked for. So now I'm just gonna go with this hydrating face mask. I got it not too long ago. It's really cute. I love the packaging. It's the Princess printed sheet mask and it's super moisturizing. I haven't tried it before, so we're gonna all try it out today. I look super scary right now. I've seen a lot of the clean girl aesthetic where they journal and then make a to-do list for their day. However, I don't currently have my journals here. If you should know, I've been in uni for the past few months, so I just came back home for the holidays and I left all my journals back in uni. So we're gonna do something else today. So I've got this whiteboard where I write my to-do list for the day, and then I pop that on the wall over on that side. So I'm just gonna do that, and then we're gonna get some book to read. So I've currently been reading this book. It's The Mask Maker's Daughter, and honestly I'm in love. I only just recently started and it's honestly been the best thing. Also, I picked up crocheting, so I've just been crocheting. I'm trying to make a beanie. Should I show you or should I not? It actually isn't completed yet, so yeah, I'm just gonna go do the to-do list and then we're gonna read some book. Okay, so it's been over 20 minutes now. I was meant to take it out in 15 minutes, but I've been reading and then I lost track of time. So yeah, we're just gonna go take this off. Why does my nose look like that? Oh my god. And why do I look scary? This was meant to be cute, and then I look scary instead. I look like a monster. What the hell? Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes since I took it off and my face is all damp now. So we're gonna continue with the skincare. So I've got this Clinique toner and I'm just gonna pop that onto my face. Now I'm gonna go in with this vitamin C serum. Oh! It's all setting now, so I'm just gonna go moisturize. You can use any moisturizer that you use that doesn't break you out and that works well with your skin. And now I'm just gonna go in with Nude by Rihanna. It's the body lotion, and I'm just gonna pop some on my hands just to moisturize my hands, just because my hands were a bit dry. And that is the skincare all done. My skin feels smooth and luxurious and I am absolutely in love. I'm gonna have breakfast because I am starving. So I see clean girls eat more healthy foods like avocado, wheat, oatmeal. So we're just gonna do an avocado toast with some eggs. as you can tell, I have changed locations to the bathroom. I had a look online about the clean girl makeup look, and it's kind of similar to what my everyday makeup look is, except with my everyday makeup look I use foundation, whereas with the clean girl look it says no foundation, so just concealer, and then no contour, which I sometimes do. But yeah, we're gonna do the exact same clean girl aesthetic makeup. I'm gonna pop it on this side so you can have a look. It's just like a few little steps. So it says to moisturize. I already moisturized, so I'm just gonna go with my primer. This is the You Do You hydrating primer. It actually belongs to my mom and I've never used it before, just because my primer that I use is finished. So we're just gonna go in with You Do You primer. Hopefully it's it's a hydrating primer spray. I thought it was like my way, it just goes like, and I just never mind. So it's not like a serum or a toner type, it's just a spray. Now I'm gonna go with my Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. I really hope you can see this. I suck at showing products, so I really hope you can. Just gonna go in. It's quite on the lighter shade, but I'm gonna just pop that under my eye bags. I don't even have that much of an eye bag, but we're gonna conceal it anyway. Also, it says to conceal it in a certain way, so we're gonna do that. Like blend it all out together. I always tend to use foundation just because like I want my face to have like one color, because if you can tell this bit is like a bit dark, so I tend to use like foundation just to get like one even skin toned color. But we're going for the clean girl aesthetic today, so we're just gonna do what it says to do, which is the no makeup look, which I usually regularly do, but oh well. I'm so confused right now. Probably should have watched the video, you know, but we're gonna wing it. So the concealer is all blended in now, and the next step is to use the liquid blush. So I've got these two liquid blushes. It's actually called Blush and it's made by Mitchell. Got them off TikTok shop, and I've got the shade Cowlick and Peach Sugar. I'm gonna just go with Peach Sugar because it's kind of like a lighter blush than Cowlick, and just because it's like a clean girl look, I don't want to go in with a harsher blush. I want to go with like a lighter blush just to give me like a lighter, clean, feminine type appearance, like a girly look. So we're just gonna go with this one, which is Peach Sugar. And it says to apply little dots onto your face. We're just gonna go in like there, 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 and then it says to put a dot on to the nose, I think. I hope I'm doing this right. Then I'm just gonna use the excess on the brush to just go under my eye, like over my eye, just so it kind of like blends in. It's not a noticeable difference, but it's all the difference to me. That's it for the blush. Now it says to go in with a lip gloss or a lip oil, so I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip oil. I am literally obsessed with these. I need to get some more. Got them off TikTok shop again, but it's the bomb, like legit. So I'm just gonna go in with this, and it's in the shade That Chic. I hope I'm focusing this well, but it's in the shade That Chic. I'm just gonna go in with the lip oil on my lip. I found that using lip oil, it's not as sticky as a lip gloss. You know, like there are certain lip glosses that are real sticky, but a lip oil, it just like kind of like goes on the lip and it's glossy, but doesn't have all them sticky properties, which is why I love them. Let me just put a bit more on, because why not? Now we're gonna go in with our mascara, just like any plain old mascara will do. So I just did my mascara off camera, and it says to go in with highlighter, but I don't really like highlighter because my face just goes a bit oily when I'm out anyway, so it just gives me that glow. So I'm not gonna go with highlighter because I just want my face to be matte and not dewy. Anyways, it didn't say anything about the eyebrows, so I looked up a few videos, and the majority of people already have their brows done, either laminated, threaded, waxed, filled in. So as this video is like clean girl, I just checked for like clean girl brows, and it says to use like a brow gel. I'm gonna go in with this Got to Be glue because I don't have a brow gel. I should probably purchase one, but I'm just gonna go with the Got to Be. So I'm just gonna go with the Got to Be glue, and I'm just gonna pop like a little bit on my brows and then just comb it and hope it stays in place. So just like a tiny little bit, and just pop that onto my brows. And in very carefully so I don't ruin the makeup. And then this. And then we're gonna go with just a normal brush. I use these for my edges, which is why it looks dusty crusty. I am so sorry for all the dusty crustiness of my makeup kit, but I use them, okay? I'll probably have to wash them by the end of the week, but it is what it is. It's gonna get dirty, it's gonna get crusty, so pardon me. Also, if you've made it this far into the video, I want to ask, let me know in the comment section which order you do these. So hair, makeup, outfit, or hair, outfit, makeup, or makeup, hair, outfit, or makeup, outfit, makeup. Hair, sorry, makeup, outfit, hair. I know it's a bit confusing, but I find that what works for me is to do my hair first, wear my outfit, and then do my makeup. I find out doing my makeup before doing my hair, it just makes everything really messy. And then doing my makeup before wearing my clothes, the makeup could like go on my clothing. So I just like do my hair, put the clothes on, and then do my makeup, so I don't have to worry about makeup going onto my clothes. But I think that's different for everyone. So let me know in the comment section what you do or what order you get ready in, and let's see which one gets the most likes, and that would be pinned. We're done. I'm all done with the makeup now. This was very easy and straight to the point. I could literally do this in like 3 minutes. That's how quick I could do this, and honestly it doesn't look bad. Like, it looks clean, it looks minimalist, it looks like I have no makeup on, and it just kind of like enhanced my appearance really. And I'm actually loving this. This could be my everyday go-to makeup look now, because mine is a bit of an extra step where I need to put foundation and contour. I actually didn't think I'd like this without foundation, but oh my god, like this is so good. Like I did not put foundation on, and it's just concealer, and it just blended out perfectly. And I'm just like, so why do I use foundation? I don't know. I guess I don't know. Anyways, let's go find some clean girl outfit to complement our clean girl makeup look. So let's go. So for my research, clean girls wear a lot of neutral colors, so like nudes, white, brown, black, just like colors that you could pair up with anything, and they really dress simple and minimalist. So I decided to go for these nude trousers. This is what it looks like, and this Kim's Dupe brown top, just because it's nude. My rings are all mixed and they're just a bit from everywhere, so I'm just gonna pop this on, that one for this finger there. We're sticking to minimalism here, so I think I'll just pop like 2 more on and then call it a day. And And also I'm opting for this butterfly necklace because it's winter time. I'm gonna go in with this long coat. It's nude and complements the trousers very nicely. And that's it. I'm gonna show you the full outfit right now. So anyways, this is what the final outfit looks like. We've got our trousers and then the top and then our little jacket. Trousers are from, I'm not sure exactly where the trousers are from, but I'll put them on the screen. Top is from Shein, jacket is from Zara. It's a Skims dupe top, and yeah, simple, cute and classy, just good enough for the winter. Anyways, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to comment what order you do your makeup in the comment section below. And yeah, my name is Anita Amli. Nice to meet you all again, and see you next time. Bye.